Are you ready for the future of immersive technology? Meet the Varjo XR-4, the latest flagship mixed reality headset from Varjo, designed to redefine how we experience virtual and augmented reality. This next-gen device boasts an incredible resolution of 3840 by 3744 pixels per eye, powered by dual mini-LED displays with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and an impressive contrast ratio of 1 to 10,000. With a maximum PPD, pixels per degree, or of 51, Varjo continues its tradition of offering crystal-clear visuals that surpass human eye resolution. The XR-4 isn't just about stunning visuals. Its 120 degrees x 105 degrees field of view, FOV, and advanced aspheric optics ensure an expansive, distortion-free experience. For those who need precision in spatial awareness, the device includes cutting-edge LiDAR sensors and 20 MP passthrough cameras, delivering a latency of just 22 milliseconds. This feature offers seamless blending of real and virtual environments, making it perfect for enterprise applications like design, simulation, and training. But what truly sets the XR-4 apart is its versatility. It offers Steam VR support via an optional faceplate, making it compatible with a wide range of VR content. The audio system includes built-in spatial audio speakers and dual noise-cancelling microphones, providing an immersive sound experience to match its visuals. Whether you're piloting a virtual aircraft or exploring a simulated architectural space, the XR-4 delivers unparalleled immersion. The XR-4 comes in 3 variants, the standard edition priced at €3,990, the high-end focal edition for €9,990, which optimizes mixed reality pass-through, and the secure edition, built with enterprise-level security and offline capabilities, priced at €13,990. These options cater to various professional needs, from design studios to defense contractors. Despite its enterprise focus, Varjo hinted at a potential consumer release in the future. Imagine playing VR games like Rec Room or Half-Life, Alyx with this powerhouse. It's a vision of what's possible as technology continues to evolve. For now, the XR-4 remains a benchmark for high-end mixed reality, combining cutting-edge optics, seamless tracking, and an immersive audio-visual experience. As Varjo bids farewell to the XR-3, it's clear that the XR-4 represents a significant leap forward. Whether you're a professional seeking the best tools for your industry or a tech enthusiast curious about the next level of XR, the Varjo XR-4 is a glimpse into the future of immersive technology.